Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. A little bit different to what most YouTubers are doing. I actually bought mine. Most YouTubers got sent theirs free, they got the base models. I've gone out and got myself the ceramic white version, which is also dual SIM. And I'll be showing you some of the dual SIM capabilities of this device. Disclaimer, I have been using this for a day. I got it yesterday, but I wanted to set it up to save some time in this video. I actually upgraded my handset with my carrier or network called EE in the UK. Part of the deal, I got a free Galaxy Watch, which is right here, the 46mm LTE version. I'm not going to be unboxing all this today. I just thought I'd show you what I got. I also got the free wireless charging pad, which is 15 watts capable. I also got the free Galaxy Buds, but I got these at the actual Samsung Unpacked event. So I will be doing a long-term review of these. I've been using them for a while. Here they are, look beautiful, beautiful case. Obviously that's my device right there. Also after this I'm going to be doing some case reviews, so I've been rocking some of these already. I'll leave links at the end of this video. This one is the protective standing cover, so I'll leave a link at the end of this video for these. I've got the clear view cover, the white version. That's going to look boss, absolutely boss. And I've got the emotional LED lighting effect LED back cover as well. As you can see, I've been testing them, that's why they're all open. But this is about this beast. And you know me, in typical style, whenever I get a brand new Samsung device, I have to go all Ric Flair. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, woo! Woo! Styling and profiling. I've been waiting for a ceramic Samsung device for ages. Let me just show you some of the stuff on the back of the box. This is the 512 gig version, 8 gigabytes of RAM. And as you can see here, it says Duos. And it's also the Exynos version, so let's bring that a bit closer. Duos. Okay, it is switched on, it is set up. I did it to save a bit of time. So 3, 2, 1, boom. Look at that. Looks evil. Looks evil. Let's pull this out from here. SIM ejection tool. You get your normal books and stuff that no one's going to bother reading, so chuck them away. I have already, look at the mess I'm making. This is the device. Now, word of advice, I'm going to be doing a review of this Whitestone Dome screen protector. Before I even switched this on, I took it out of the box fresh, applied my Whitestone Dome screen protector, took the plastic one off obviously, and I'll do a review. I've filmed the review, I've got to upload it. Look at that. Look how clean the ceramic white looks. That looks beautiful. Samsung written in silver. I'd have liked them to have written that in gold, and I'll tell you why. The surround around the camera is a kind of a rosy, like a light gold, champagne gold. Some people say rose gold. The metal frame, it's difficult to pick up on camera, but it is gold in color. Really, really, really clean looking device. I prefer this over the prism white. Another fun fact that most people are not aware of. This one, because it's ceramic, it weighs in at 20 grams more than the prism colored ones, the glass back ones. They're 175 grams. This one's 195 grams. Feels much more substantial in hand. But look at it, beautiful. Try to launch my Samsung Pay. You've got a bottom firing speaker here, microphone, USB Type-C charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack all day long. Power button on this side. You can see that. This side, volume rocker, Bixby button. Getting a lot of hate, the Bixby button. And also a lot of hate's coming for where the power button's now higher up. I don't have an issue with it. I actually think it makes complete sense. Because for me, it's easy to reach even with a case on. I have been testing it. And I think Samsung's moved it higher because before it used to be almost directly opposite the Bixby button. So people used to launch Bixby by accident and complain. Do you remember last year? Oh, Bixby button keeps getting launched by accident. Simple. Move this up. Done. Nice and stunning, beautiful phone, this one. And because it's white, you can also get this one in black, the ceramic. But because it's in white, look at that. You cannot see the fingerprints. Love that. Let me put it down to one side. I'll show you what else comes in the box. You got the power brick. Standard stuff. You got a little, I don't use this stuff really, USB type A to USB type C, so pretty good. If you need to transfer data from your old phone to a new one, you can use that. Maybe also use it as an OTG. I'll have to test that out when I get a chance. Put this back in here. In here, I haven't even opened this. I never usually use the accessories that come with phones. In here, where's the thing gone? Where is the thing? Let me undo this. Look at this, real struggles. There we go. Move that out of the way. And in here, we've got the most clumsiest unboxing in the world. The USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable. A little USB Type-C to micro USB adapter. And we've got some AKG headphones, which I'm not going to bother unwrapping, but they've got corded braided cable on them. Look real nice. You've got some silicone ear tips in there, you can see them. But no one's really talking about these, so I'm not going to get into them too much. Let's move that out of the way. Because I got these. The Galaxy Buds. Love these little things. But word of advice, people who have been reviewing them are talking rubbish. They're going, these sound as good as £300 earbuds. No, they don't. It's not a bad thing. They sound good, but they're not up to the levels of, say, my B&O E8 2.0s that I did a review on. I'll leave a link up here somewhere. You can check that out. Anyway, back to the device. It's all set up. We're trying to unlock it with this. There we go. Slight delay, but there you go. I've got a wallpaper on here that hides the notch. So if I take that in closer, see that? That Bender off Futurama. That looks pretty cool, the way it hides that notch. Now, as you can see here, I've actually got two SIM cards in mine. Excuse the noise from outside. There's sirens galore. But as you can see there, let me try and bring it closer so you can see that. There we go. I've got both of them running. Now, I used this, charged it up, used it. Whilst I was setting it up from 100% to 0, I got around 16.5 hours off charge with around 6 hours screen on time. That's with two SIMs going at the same time. See, text messages SIM 1, mobile data is turned off, calls SIM 1. So I used two SIMs continuously running, Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, the works, everything. I had Bluetooth on, I had it connected to my Galaxy Watch, on it, which is also on LTE. So pretty damn good battery life for a start. So if I come into here, go into settings, Where's it gone? Connections. If you go into mobile networks or SIM card manager, then that you can select. I'm not going to show you because it'll show my numbers, but in there you can select which SIM card you want data to be used from, which one you want to use it for text, which one you want to use for calls. You cannot have 4G running on both SIM cards at the same time, but you can have both SIM cards live so you can receive phone calls on either one at any time, which is 100% a win all day long. That's the advantage of having a dual SIM version. Oh, I keep pressing the Bixby button. So let's go into this settings, check out some of the new stuff, advanced features. Take my finger off that, there we go. Advanced features. You've probably seen all this stuff from my One UI video. I'll leave a link here somewhere, you can check that out. Something a lot of you don't realize is, because this is a dual SIM version, I've got dual messenger, so I can have 2 Telegram apps, 2 WhatsApp apps, 2 Facebook accounts, etc, etc. Love it. Reduce animations. Straight after this, I want to do a video showing you the first things you should do when you get your S10 or S10 Plus or S10e. Okay, first things you should do. Trust me, they're good tips. I always do good tip videos. You guys know that. So, am I going to get into this too much? Let's have a look. You got night mode, which I switch on automatically. Love that. Blue light filter. I'll show you that. Because it's in night mode, you can't really see much. It makes the whites a little bit darker in color. Also, I've been running this on full resolution since I unpacked it. If you're going to have that beautiful display, forget full HD plus, go with WQHD plus the all day long. Pretty good. Navigation bar, etc. You've probably seen this stuff a million times, so I'm not going to get into it right now. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing. I waffled a bit, I will admit that, but I didn't want to make this too long. I will be reviewing the Galaxy Buds. I'll be doing a update on my Galaxy Watch. Where is it? I've got it here. I'll show you this real quick. That's the Bluetooth version I had. I've now got the LTE version as well, which is sitting over there somewhere. So there you have it, guys. What do you think of this beautiful ceramic white? Look at that. It doesn't say Duos on the back either, which is a win. It has got a little bit of this stupid CE marks here, but they're written in a very light white color, so it virtually vanishes on the back of the phone. You can't even see it. Look at that. There's a little bit of a camera hump, but nothing major. Oh, let me come out of this. I'm going to all my apps here. There we go. Let me just show you face unlock real quick. So I've got it lift to raise. So if I do that, do you see that instant? Right, lift to raise. That's fast. One more time. Oh, do it again. There we go, look at that. Fast. Fingerprint sensor. See? There we go. Try that again. There we go. And one more time. There we go. As I said, put the white stone dome screen protector on your phone before you even switch it on. Get that ready. I will leave links to it down below in the description. I'll also be doing loads of videos on this device, accessories, screen protectors, the works. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. This is Zilla saying take care. I'll see you all again real soon, and peace.